hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make a very crispy, crunchy and delicious recipe, that is spring roll. This recipe is very easy and I have shown the step-by-step process. So try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. And if you like my recipes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. For this recipe we need cabbage, carrot, onion, green chilli, garlic, capsicum, sugar, this is optional, salt, black pepper, soya sauce, oil and spring roll sheets. This is homemade, you can also use the ready-made one. Now in a bowl, take the cabbage and carrot, add a little bit of salt and keep it aside for 15 minutes. It helps to remove the extra water. Now after 15 minutes, squeeze the vegetables and extract the water from it. You can use this water for cooking. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add more or less. And then add the sliced garlic. You can also chop it. Now stir for a few seconds and then add the onion and capsicums. Now on high flame, saute for 20 to 30 seconds. Then add green chilies and then add the carrot and cabbage. Now cook it on high flame for a minute. Then add sugar, this is optional. Add black pepper, you can also use white pepper instead of it. Then add salt to taste. Now mix all these ingredients well. And in the last minute, add soya sauce. Then cook for 2 minutes on high flame. After that, turn off the flame and add a little bit of cornstarch, this is optional. It helps to soak the extra water. Now mix this well and let it be cooled down completely. Now the stuffing has cooled completely. Now take a spring roll sheet. This is homemade, you can also use the ready-made one. And if you want the recipe, comment down. Now add a spoonful of stuffing and with the help of water slurry, close the edges or fold it as I am showing or as you want. This water slurry is made up with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of maida and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well and use it to stick the edges. Make sure the stuffing should not come out. Here the first one is ready, so follow the same process and make the rest of spring rolls. Once all the spring rolls are ready, you can directly fry it. But here I will coat all the rolls with the water slurry. This is optional, but this extra process makes the rolls more crispy. I will fry the spring rolls in 2 rounds. In this first round, I will fry for 7 to 10 minutes on low flame until it becomes very light golden color. In this first round, the rolls will be fried for 50%. You can keep these rolls in fridge for 2 days and enjoy it. Now you can see the color is very light and golden. Now keep it aside, follow the same process and fry the rest of spring rolls. Now in the second round, I will take the half fried spring rolls and on high flame I will fry it for 30 to 40 seconds or until the color turns into nice and golden brown color. It may take 25 to 30 seconds or longer. Now the crispy and delicious spring rolls are ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.